Na? My husband loves it.
Thank God. Oh, thank God. Abigail's okay too. She's good. Because he was here. I saw him. I could have touched him. But I had to let him go. You had no choice. You did the right thing.
Sarap. Mga kapitbahay.
This isn't over.
Alam niyo ba mga kapitbahay? Talagang kailangan ko talagang tiisin ang mga pagkain na masasarap. Pwede naman akong kumain, mga kapitbahay, pero wag masyado.
Julie, it's okay. Good. Listen, you take care of your girl. I'll go talk to the cops. How about the Swiss? Better leave home without it.
Kagawad, sobrang sarap nito.
I think you got my knife. I've got yours. Oh, you switched up? Yeah. Oh, yeah, look at that.
Tapos meron siyang bite na maanghang ng konti.
Freedom Unlimited card, and I'm a cash back on a few other things too. Started with the sound system. You're in from Pink. That's cash. I prefer the whole intro. This is much better. I don't think so. One more thing. The team owner gets 5 minutes a day.
Hindi na kagawa, sobrang sarap talaga kagawa. Mapaparound to ka talaga kung hindi mo tinitiis. Miss Gina Choco, ang sarap ng spaghetti ko. Sweetheart, it's really good ha. My husband loves it, mga kapitbahay. Oh my God, narinig ko yung nakaganoon pa siya, mga kapitbahay. Oh. Yukong-yuko talaga, grabe. Tapos mga kapitbahay, there's spicy. Sweetheart, did you feel the spiciness? But it's not like only the bite, right? It's not like too spicy. Just only the bite of spiciness, mga kapitbahay. Gustong-gusto niyo, mga kapitbahay. Mga kapitbahay, this is better than the restaurant, the Olive Garden. This is better because it's free. You don't have to give a tip.
Okay, here goes. I know this is probably a gut reaction to everything that you just went through. But the fact that we are sitting here,
Yung oregano na nilagay ko,
something.
talagang siya, lasang-lasa talaga, mga kapit. Marami ako nilagay ng oregano eh.
But I was willing to learn how to compromise. Yeah, and meet you halfway on everything.
You make me laugh. You make me feel like I'm a little bit crazy, and I know that if I just let myself, I can completely.
Tomato.
There's a lot of things that I want to do, Sean. I'm not just a kindergarten teacher who wants to settle down and make a family. I want
She
to make a difference.
She 80 Black TV, mega shout out.
I can't do any of that if I'm dead.
You inspire me.
I'm just not cut out for this.
Lobat na si Maribik Manesa support. Ayan pa. Tomato, thank you. Ate Maribik, thank you ah.
I'm sorry, Abigail.
Call me. Ever since I
Ayan. Palablab na lang po yung nakapin. Upcoming premiere ni Kuya Baldos. Oh, I forgot to bake the bread. You like the bread?
It's too late now. I'm almost done.
Yeah, I know. I forgot.
All right.
Because I used to like the bread, but now I try to eat not much bread. Mga kapitbahay, sobrang sarap. Masarap pa to kung merong mushroom. Pero